Sometimes we find it difficult to fund our Alipay account balance, most especially Alipay account foreign user, as a result of card are not supported or card banding fail in our Alipay top-up balance. Let me open my balance and show you what I mean. So in balance sections right here, most time, if we try to recharge our balance and we find out that our card are not supported, different sort of things as far as Alipay balance top up is concerned. What if I told you that there is a way that you can still fund your Alipay and you can still use some of the funds to do transaction online, most especially if you are the type that buy grocery or you are the type that shop online, maybe from 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Alibaba, AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app that accepts Alipay as a means of payment. There is another alternative for you, and I'm going to explain about it right here in this video, how you can top up the account and how you can use the account to shop in any of e-commerce platform in China, whether you are in China or you are outside China, provided that the merchant are in support of Alipay. I'm going to explain everything to you right here in this video. If you find it difficult to top up your balance right here, forget about the stress and go ahead and make use of this backup method I'm going to explain to you right here. So let's get started. So I'm going to exit from my balance sections right here and go back to my home page. So the backup method you need to use is Alipay Toll Card. That is the name. So what you want to do is to come to the search right here. Go ahead and type in Toll Card. So hit on search. So when you hit on search, you will definitely see something like this. So go ahead and click on it. Then it's going to open up like so. Go ahead and hit on enter right here. Now you are here. So here, when you get to Toll Card, you'll be given to an interface like this. Whatever you top up with your Master or Visa card, the balance is going to be found right here. Okay? But before you can do that, you need to make sure you click on Use Now. So when you click on Use Now, it presents you with two different types of card. The first one here has maximum expenditure of 5,000 yuan per annum. This is the amount you can top up the card with maximum, and the amount you cannot spend beyond this. And the experience card here is 14,000 per annum. So this one here allow you to ask for increase in limits. This particular options right here. So you can go ahead and choose any of the option card right here. So let's, for instance, if I want to choose this particular 50,000 here, so go ahead and click on it. That's going to take us right here. Now this is where it gets and this is where it's getting more interesting. Here, not every country is actually available right here. But if your country is available right here, you are very lucky, which simply means that you can easily use this particular Alipay Toll Card. You can top up and use whatever balance you have it here in any Chinese e-commerce app or website. And however, if you do not want to spend your money and you have a balance left in the account, you can refund the money back to your bank card. This is an interesting thing about this particular Alipay Toll Card. So here, you need to verify your personal info. And for that, you start by selecting your country. Click on Select, please. Then you have available countries right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see all available country right here. However, like I said in the beginning, if your country is no longer here, there is nothing you can do. You have to abort the mission of using Alipay Toll Card as an alternative of Alipay funding. Okay, so once you see your country right here, just go ahead and select the country. Let's say, for instance, I'm from Ghana. I will go ahead and select Ghana. So automatically, we have our country code right here as a mobile. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your mobile number. So once you enter your mobile number, then you need to check the graph verification code to receive a verification code on your mobile number. So for that, make sure you click here according to these options right here. So make sure you look at the image. So like for instance, we have this as number 1, then we have this as number 2, then we have this as number 3. So if the verification failed, so let's load another option. So here we have another options right here. So we have this as number 1, then oh, that's wrong. So I can refresh. Okay, we have Bell as number 1. So click on select Bell. We have letter A as number 2. Then we have camera icon as number 3. Now the verification has been succeed. Once it succeed, go ahead and click on next. After clicking on next, then you will be taken to a section whereby you select an amount. The minimum amount you can select is 100 yuan at a go. So select your amount. Once you select your amount, facilitate your payment, enter your international passport. Once you make your payment, so let's go back. The payment is going to be deposited right here in your Alipay talker. So whatever you have right here, you can use it to shop grocery online and make payment offline if you are in China. So whether you are in China or you are outside China, you can definitely use this particular Alipay talker. And this card here is renewable every 3 months with the same international passport, with the same card information. One thing you need to make one thing you need to be very much careful about this store card is that whatever name you have in your Alipay account must be corresponded with the name you have on the bank card if you don't want to have issue with your Alipay store card being frozen. It's that simple. So if you still have question for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned about Alipay, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp, or better still, put your question in the comment section down below. I will be glad to provide to whatever solution you might have with your Alipay account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Alipay tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.